Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video guys, i-share ko sa iyo yung blackberries in my backyard. Ayan, namumunga na siya at ang dami na siya guys. Ayan. So mag-picking na tayo guys. Ayan. Ayan, organic to siya guys kasi tumubo lang siya na walang mga spray. Ayan. Ayan. Ooh. Oh. Ayan guys. So, yan na. Ang dami na. May rami na. Dami na siya guys. Hindi ko lang maabot. So, ito lang na-picking ko guys. Ayan. Blackberries in my backyard. Ayan guys. Saka ito ang napicking ko guys. Ayan. Oh, ang dami na diba? Ayan. Iikot pa tayo sa kabila guys. Ayan. Ayan. So ang daming bunga. So, ayan, blackberries in my backyard. So, picking tayo, walang magawa. Ayan. Ayan, dandahan lang kasi may mga tinik. Nice. Ayan. Yay. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Oh, look at this. Ang dami ko nang napitas guys. So, ayan. Ang dami ko nang napitas. Itong blackberries guys. Ayan. Wow. So, blackberries in my backyard. Ayan. 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 Pipitasin natin. Ayan, picking blackberries. Ayan guys. Blackberries in my backyard guys. Napaka sweet siya. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like and share and comments below. Thank you and bye bye.